Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to solve the problem that the application keeps stopping. We will explain the solution or two solutions to this problem, and you will get rid of it permanently. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the Google Play Store, then download this application. If you have a home, update it, and if you have the latest update, cancel its download and install it again. The important thing is that you change what is next. You will go to the settings, then go to the applications, then click on the applications again. After that, you click on the icon of three small dots above us, then click on Reset Application Preferences. There, as you can see, resetting the application preferences for disabled applications will lead to the default application and data usage restrictions. All problems, God willing, will be solved. After that, you restart your phone and congratulations. Share your experience with us in the comments. This was today's topic. I hope you liked it and benefited. Problems do not suggest, write it in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.